So here we are, heading back to the bedroom side of the space, and I think there are several here. The first is the nanny guest, the second is with the bathroom for the powder bath. We have our smart home utility room here that's got the washer, dryer, closets, and that big rack to the left with all the panels, which is amazing. We have their son's room with all of the closets that one would expect, in each room, and the built-ins in. I think gives them more than ample storage for a second or third home. His separate bath, which is darling, but I think that the real key here is this lovely master suite, and it's always hard to find enough space when you're doing a 2,000 square foot renovation and putting 4 bedrooms. Well, the family room is the 4th bedroom technically, family room that converts, and 3 baths, 4 baths actually, with 3 main bedrooms for the living space. And this is the master suite that had this grand idea, which we, I think, executed fairly well. The owner still doesn't know what she wants to do for pocket lights, but it's pretty large. As far as a master suite goes, it's fine for this size space and scale. Again, all new radiators. There's going to be more built-ins in this room, but I think what's most important is this great closet with a wonderful, I guess I will call it less is more approach, but still solves the problem of having lots to store. We took shelf approaches to the shoes, saved all the tile, and that's where we put it for now. Integrated the floor throughout seamlessly, so the pattern from the floor plan is, I think, great that we chose to do this without putting saddles between and had a continuous run on the floor. Love this white oak floor. I know it's going to be a challenge for them. It's going to show, it's soft, it's going to show, it's soft and beautiful. It should probably not show as much damage as you would see in the higher gloss floors. But ciao for now. Let's hit the master bath next.